When you donate to the Wolfson Sustainability Fund, your contribution goes straight to work on real projects, making a genuine difference. We've purchased 2 new properties this year, expanding the Wolfson College site, and we've been making sure that they're set up the right way. Solar panels have been installed across these newly acquired buildings, as well as across the MNOP block, generating clean, renewable energy and reducing our reliance on the grid.
Our kitchens have recently been fully refurbished. Heat pumps have been installed alongside the renovation work. Efficient, clean and far kinder to the environment than what came before. We really want to make a big difference to reach our target of reducing the college's emissions by 75% by 2030. And this summer, Lee Hall is next. Gas boilers will be replaced with modern electric ones. Cleaner to run and better for everyone who uses that space. It's something we're very much looking forward to.
Every pound you give helps us keep this momentum going. More solar panels, more heat pumps, and a hall that's ready for a greener future. This is a chance to be part of something lasting and something that genuinely matters.